Alright, I got some good news and some bad news. Bad news isn't really that bad news, but at the same time it is because I gotta spend more money. And I'm a little pissed off. That's why we don't really go to AutoZone for parts. This will be running soon, hopefully, as long as it is what it is, but we've narrowed it down. The fuses are all good. Every fuse we've checked is good. All the fuel lines are good. Fuel filter, everything is operational. We're getting volts to the fuel pump, the new one that I got that I just put in there. And considering it has a 5-second delay, when it turns off and does, its job on what it's supposed to, it doesn't kick back on and pump fuel through. So when we were turning it over, and it would start because we had it to where it was running, it would turn over and start and run for a bit as long as we kept on the throttle. No fuel was being pumped through that, which means it's running on fumes. If we have got it started, it did run for a bit here and there, and then it would die. So I got to order a whole new fuel pump, which is the bad news. Other bad news is I gotta do another O-ring for the tank because the new one I just got already swollen up and I can't close the tank, which is hence to the tarp, because that's to keep when it rains, because it might rain from the looks of it. So that's to keep the rain out of the trunk so it doesn't get into my fucking tank and make everything else fucky type shit. So it's looking like it's going to be the fuel pump. That's all that needs to be done. Cross your fingers. I'm hoping that's what it is. Be happy to get this on the street. Get it inspected to get it street legal out here. I have somebody that can get it to pass inspections out here. And get it fully up and running again. Street legal and everything. And, be really cool. Drive around out here. I like driving around out here because they don't see shit out here. This kind of stuff isn't out here. At least I haven't run into it yet. But so I thought I'd let you guys know. Good things are coming up. Till then, stay tuned. And hopefully the next video will be it running and staying running. Till then, stay tuned. Stay safe, guys. Peace.